Hi, you're live. Welcome to
Hi.
IWM Buzz.
Thank you so much.
First of all, thank you so much that you guys came in.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's a pleasure.
Okay, so what is happening? What are you guys doing? What is like? Where are you busy?
I think first thing is that this is the first time we are coming live
Yes.
on a social networking platform. We've never done that before, so we are really excited to be connecting with all you guys on a live platform. So thank you IWM Bus for having
Thank
us
you.
here. And what's happening is, of course, there is a lot of development happening, which you guys
Will come to know
come to know soon. Some really big things in the pipeline. So let's just hope it all goes well, and you're going to see us on screen and probably behind the screen as well.
Okay, after Satrangi Sasural, people wanted to see you both together again. So is that happening? थोड़ा hint मिल सकता है किसी को?
That is not happening.
Okay.
That
As
is
in,
not
we would
as of
love
now.
if that happens.
Yeah.
But if you guys really wish that happens, then yeah. We need more wishes so that it happens, it comes true.
So already a lot of fans have come because वो इतने दिनों से wait कर रहे थे, I guess.
And we're really happy right now
Yeah,
because
we are
it's like,
connecting with you guys.
Yeah, it's like we all are sitting in the same room, you
Yes.
know. So
But
yeah,
that's how the whole the social networking platform has got everyone
Yes.
so close together.
Thanks to
So,
technology.
yeah.
Actually.
Okay, Parag is saying hello, Mugdha and Ravish. So excited to see you again. Thank you so much.
Hi Parag.
Hi Parag. It's a pleasure, yeah. Even we are excited and happy to, talk to you right now.
Okay, Kuldeep has a message. Hope you get more and more success in your life ahead. I always watch your serials and always support you and love you.
So is that message for Mugdha or is that message for
Yeah, Kuldeep, किसके लिए था ये message?
पता नहीं दोनों के लिए होगा I guess इसलिए नाम नहीं
No,
mention
thank you
किया
so
है.
much. Yeah, I'm sure your wishes mean a lot to
Us.
both of us.
Okay, Parag is a message for Mugdha that when are you doing again the mytho or historical kind of shows?
Parag, I would love to do something like that. Honestly, it is on my wish list as well, and I really hope something nice comes my way. I think काफी, but it wasn't something that I would love to do or I wanted to do. So wish for something nice. Yeah, even I want to do that.
Okay, David Hinduja is saying my wife used to twist my ears when I see a girl. Do your wife pull your ears when you see a girl?
No, all yours.
No, she doesn't do all that. Well, good for me. Yeah.
Okay, Mugdha, your fan page is asking, please tell us something about your family.
My family. Okay, actually.
So which family?
Which
you're asking?
family?
Her family or our family?
Okay, honestly, you also are a part of our family, as you
Extended
know.
family.
So, I've been blessed with a colorful, big, and a happy and a loving family. So, thank you to be a part of it as well. And I definitely post and share about them, and you know all about it. And yes, I have a new family since a year. And
1.5 साल हो गया, लेकिन अभी तक मेरी फैमिली के किसी भी लोगों के नाम एकदम पहचानती नहीं. इतनी बड़ी फैमिली है इसलिए.
मतलब ये
मतलब
बिल्कुल
हमारा
ही गलत है. I don't agree with this.
जब हमारा फैमिली बेसिक गेट टुगेदर होता है तो उसके लिए 100 लोगों का एक हमें हॉल बुक करना पड़ता है.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
it's a huge family.
it's a very big family. तो
So-
उसके लिए that itself is a very big task
True.
कि मेरे फैमिली के सारे मेंबर्स के नाम याद रखें. तो she's
But
still
on the
in
contrary, I
process.
would like to cut him in between because he said that. This question goes to my mother-in-law. Okay, ask her, and she will say ki she always pats my back. She's like,
Okay.
you know everyone so well, and he doesn't know. Actually,
Oh.
lot of people he doesn't know. And I know. इसीलिए इसने ऐसे करके बता दिया.
Okay, Deepthi is asking Ravish that please tell us about your hobbies.
My hobbies.
Yeah.
Well, I think most of you all know about my hobbies. I'm a huge movie buff. I love to watch movies. So most of the time when I'm at home doing nothing, I'm usually watching something on my iPad. And apart from that, I'm a fitness freak. I love to do athletic training and go for a run at the beach. I love reading books, music. I think, and of course, I'm extremely passionate about cricket. So once a week I just go out, playing cricket with my friends.
And one more hobby of his that apparently he doesn't know, but I have figured that out, is he likes doing up the house somehow.
nice.
Because no, seriously, and even I
Doing
love
up
that.
means I'd like to correct it. Doing up means the interiors.
Yeah.
नहीं कुछ लोग समझे doing up means साफ सफाई करना.
No, no,
No. Interior
It's not
bit,
about that.
and actually हमारा पूरा घर है, so पूरा का पूरा, you know, he's designed it himself.
Yeah.
So that is one thing he really likes doing.
Okay, Jyoti is asking that how was your childhood? Both, मतलब पूजा और रविश और मुग्धा दोनों को पूछिए.
Jyoti, my childhood, I always look back and I have a lot of smiles and laughter when I look back, because I've had a amazing childhood, I can say. A lot of memories, and you know, but somewhere I was a little different person as a child, and of course, you know, everybody grows and turns
Yes.
out to be a little bit different. So I was extremely studious. I was into books, which I still am, and at the same time I did a lot of ads as a child actor, so I was active on that front as well. So, and I've enjoyed every bit of my childhood, you know, right from having a gola to roaming around, you know, to my native place, go to mama's house. Everything that you do, I have done. So I've been blessed with a brilliant childhood.
And how was your childhood?
Oh, my childhood.
Oh my God! Can I
No,
answer that, please?
If
I know it.
if Mugdha would have known me
Earlier.
like how I was back then,
Okay.
she would have never said yes to get
Oh,
married.
please.
Because
Then we
are-
would love to
were-
know how was your
No, so
childhood.
because now, of course, I've grown up to be extremely
Yes.
different as a person. Maybe a lot calmer than what I was. I used to be extremely notorious as a kid. बहुत
Oh.
मार खाई है मैंने. मतलब अभी भी मुझे मेरी माँ से बहुत डर लगता है. तो बचपन में तो बहुत मार खाई है मम्मी से, बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू बी एक्सट्रीमली नोटोरियस. किसी के घर पे जाके कांच तोड़ दिया, क्रिकेट खेलना बिल्डिंग
मतलब
में,
उस
कॉलेज
लेवल की
में,
मस्ती, I just can't take it.
मतलब सो मेनी थिंग्स. स्कूल में यू नो स्कूल से सुबह स्कूल जाता था, दोपहर को भाग जाता था वहां से. सो मेनी थिंग्स अबाउट मी, यू नो, आई शुड बी एक्सट्रीमली नोटोरियस, बट आई हैव ऑफ कोर्स grown up to be completely contrast of what I used to be.
Okay, yeah.
you know.
When his school friends they meet him now,
हाँ,
they
they think
are
that,
like, यार
you
ये
know, कुछ
कौन
हो गया
है?
है
या
रविश
ये
को.
हो ही नहीं सकते, कोई और है.
Okay, मुग्धा आपका एक फैन पेज बोल रहे कुछ ऐसे मोमेंट्स बताए जब रविश सर आपको बहुत क्यूट लगते हैं.
अरे यार
कुछ
ऐसा
ऐसे
कोई मोमेंट
moments
नहीं है जो
अरे,
क्यूट
क्या
नहीं
बात
लगता
है.
यार. देखा मैंने बोला ना नहीं कुछ. No, jokes apart. I really like him when he does things, you know, without any attention. Like we just spoke about the interior bit, you know. जब वो when he's engrossed doing something and he doesn't know who's watching him. I think that moment is I really fall in love with him during that kind of time, because he's unaware and he's just himself basically. So I like that bit.
That's a good question.
Ankur is asking that how did you get into acting field, Ravish sir?
So मेरा ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं था कि एक्टर बनना है. था अंदर से, मतलब यू नो परफॉर्मेंस का वो कीड़ा होता है, एंड यू नो you want to do things. As a child, I used to enact in front of the mirror. I used to do a lot of you know, that kind of stuff. But I was always I never thought that I'll ever get into acting. So I finished my graduation, I did my masters, and I was working with a corporate firm for about 4 years, 5 years. And but I was never happy. There was something that I, you know, कुछ अंदर था. I wanted to explore. I wanted to be happier in terms of क्या करना है लाइफ में. कुछ ऐसा करना है जो जिससे बहुत ज्यादा खुशी मिले. Where you know, जब हम कुछ ऐसा काम करते हैं that we are really passionate about, or we really like, or we dream about, then you never tend to get tired. So I was always in search of something like that. And then I remember in 2009-10, 3 Idiots was released, and I watched that movie some 4-5 times. I went to the theatre, and then I just one day decided I wanted to quit my job and give something an opportunity. जिससे ज़्यादा खुशी मिले, अच्छा लगे. So that's how I got into this, and then I started with TV commercials. बहुत सारे TV commercials अभी तक की हैं, और उसके बाद I got a good opportunity on television. So as you all know, एक ननन की खुशियों की चाबी. That was my first show. उसके पहले I did a film with Vikram sir as well. So that's how the journey started, and yeah, so far so good.
Nice. Okay, Mugdha, a fan of yours, Akshay, is congratulating you for your short film.
Okay, thank you so much, Akshay.
Even I'm looking forward to that short film actually.
Yeah.
From whatever little I know about that short film, जो भी मैंने pictures देखे हैं, वो frames देखी है, I think it's
it is
it's
beautiful.
going to turn out really well.
So Aishwarya is asking that can you please share anything more about the short
The
film
thing
that-
is, Aishwarya, there's a group of really young and passionate people who have made the film, and the moment I heard about it, I immediately decided I want to do it. I didn't ask for any detail, because the film is extremely beautifully written and beautifully directed by a young director, and it's fun to work with passionate and
Yes.
upcoming talent, because you'll get to learn a lot from them as well. So when it will come, of course I am sharing with all you guys. अभी तक तो process में है, उसको थोड़ा time जाएगा, festivals में जाएगा, and but even I can't wait to watch it. The moment I watch, I'm gonna share with you.
Nice. Okay, Urvi is saying, Ravish sir, your show went off air really early. People are missing you and Chote Lal. Any plans
How
to
cute
make
is
comeback or with any sequel?
Oh, first of all, thank you so much, for loving Manav and Chote Lal so much. I think both of us put in a lot of effort in making, in creating the
Yes.
chemistry, and of course, our writers did a wonderful job too. So both of us put in a lot of effort into our respective characters and creating that chemistry. So thank you so much. I really feel happy when you guys notice these small things
Yes.
within the show. सब लोग अच्छा दिखते हैं, अच्छा काम करते हैं, वो सारी चीज़ें तो होती है, लेकिन जो छोटे छोटे जो रिलेशनशिप्स में हम केमिस्ट्री वहाँ बिल्डअप करते हैं ना, वो जब आप नोटिस करते हैं ना, तो आई थिंक ऑल द एफर्ट दैट वी पुट इन थ्रू आउट दोस 5 months has just come out really well. So thank you. And well, as I said, that we are working towards something. वो अभी it's a little early to talk about it, but definitely we are going to be back with something really good and different, of course.
Nice.
And yeah, so let's hope for the best.
Okay. Shivam is asking, who's more naughtier?
I think I just mentioned how
What's
I
that?
was, and
That is not a question.
Okay. Rajat is asking that what was your first break?
Asking
किससे
Ravish
पूछ रहा है?
or me?
No, नाम नहीं लिखा है.
so both of us basically will take that. My first break was I did this TV commercial in 2009. It was a very small montage TV commercial, but it was aired during the IPL, the first season of IPL. So that was my very first break onto national TV.
Yeah, my first break, I could say कि it happened in childhood. I vaguely remember. But
Childhood
then-
में हुआ था यार, veteran actor है, senior actor है.
This is the thing I get to hear every alternate day.
Okay.
Oh my God, senior people, yeah, मतलब senior people.
अब बचपन से इंडस्ट्री में है, कितने साल हो गए, हम तो अभी
I'll
भी
agree
8
with
साल हुए
Ravish.
हमें.
So no, I did a film called Azmaish. It starred Dharam sir, Dharmendra ji, Prem Chopra sir, and I was a kid back
Okay.
then. I must be some 5 or something.
Nice.
So yeah, that could be said called as a break. But yeah, properly if you say Prithviraj Chauhan, I would again. That was like a turning point for me.
Okay, Beranya, she's saying you both are seriously a lot of good looking and give couple goals. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
couple
It's really
Wow.
sweet of you, Biranya. I love you for that.
उस पे मैं एक बुक भी लिखूंगा.
Shruti Rao is saying, how did your life change after marriage?
Has it changed? No.
See,
I don't think so.
it hasn't changed.
Okay.
But the only thing that has changed is that I have had to put in a lot of effort in trying to be more punctual, because
Okay.
I'm late wherever I'm going.
so happy you got
And
that.
she is extremely punctual. She actually gets really restless even if we leave like 5 minutes late. So that is one thing that has changed in my life.
So good, right? Yeah, yes.
No, but
yes.
they say that
You think.
no, but they say that people who are late are
Intelligent.
more creative and
Oh.
intelligent.
I mean, ये forwards जो आते हैं ना, ये कौन लिखता है यार?
ये हमारे ऑफिस में भी
लिखता
आते
कौन है?
So,
Okay, Parag is saying that all that the serials that Mugdha has done, one of your favorite, Ravish. Mugdha's serial.
Prithviraj Chauhan. I think I used to follow that show, and at that time I hadn't started acting. I wasn't a part of the industry back then. But yeah, I had actually I was in love with Sanyogita back then,
Oh.
and I never knew that Sanyogita will get married to.
Oh, that's an awe moment actually for me right now.
Aww. Okay, Beranya is saying that a song that you want to dedicate to each other.
So we have this one song.
Okay.
It's our song.
It's our song.
It's okay to share with y'all.
It's from PS I Love You. And when we started dating each other and we got to know about this song, both our ringtones were also of this
the
song.
same, and it was a coincidence because we didn't decide कि ringtone
Yeah.
रखे एक ही साथ, you know, we put them in our phones and पता चले कि तेरा भी वो है मेरा भी वो है. It
So
goes
it's like, I just want to see you
when you're all alone.
I just want to catch you.
If I can.
So that's
So-
our
Oh,
song.
so sweet.
Very sweet, very much.
Okay, Urvi is saying, please tell us something about your chemistry with Worship Khanna, Chote Lal. We used to enjoy a lot when you and Worship shared screen together.
Even I'm a fan.
Yeah,
Actually. I love
no,
it.
as I said that we put in a lot of effort in building that chemistry, and it was written really well. But you know, eventually, when it's written really well, there's more responsibility on the actors to make sure that we get that chemistry out. So working with Worship was absolutely, you know, a pleasure. He of course is extremely hardworking, and he also you know, got in a lot of those moments that we created. He put in a lot of effort in building the chemistry that we had, and I think it's for all you guys to see. It's come out so beautifully.
Okay, Mugdha, David is asking you that if you get a role of a strict teacher, will you choose that?
Of course I would.
She will not have to act for that.
I knew it was coming and it came. You got your answer,
She
David.
can do it like.
Okay, we'll play a fun game now that your chemistry is amazing.
Okay.
So basically, this is Damshras. You guys have played it. So
Okay.
आपको एक चिट्ठी उठानी है, आपको explain करना है. Same. तो first,
चलो, पहले मैं चिट्ठी उठाता
हाँ.
हूँ.
Let's see.
These are films or what?
अरे
Movies.
क्या बात है यार, ये तो एकदम सुपर्ब है.
Two words.
Hmm.
Yeah. First word. Hindi है?
हाँ, सारी हिंदी है.
Bollywood.
हाँ.
चलो, मैंने ही बता दिया.
You है? You है? Me. रवीश. मैं. मैंने. मेरा. मेरा. मेरी. मेरी. बड़ी. मेरी क्या?
अरे
मेरी पता चल गया. मेरी घर आई बनी बनी. ये क्या है यार, ये तो बेबी. मैं बचपन में. हाँ, मेरा बचपन. मेरी.
यार बहुत टाइम के बाद खेला यार, दिक्कत हो रही है.
मुझे वो एक्सप्लेन तो करना चाहिए ना मुझसे.
अभी प्रूव हुआ था केमिस्ट्री बहुत अच्छी
तो
है.
ऐसे थोड़ी, मतलब अगर नाम
वो समझ नहीं रही है तो मैं क्या करूँ.
कुछ इजी होगा, आई एम श्योर.
हाँ,
बहुत
सारी
easy
इजी
होगा.
है.
बट हिंदी नहीं, इंग्लिश में.
मेरी.
Okay,
बट मेरी इज राइट. अभी ऐसे करेंगे तो फोन ही है ना.
ओके ठीक है.
What is this?
मैंने लिखे,
हाँ,
मैं
okay,
खुद नहीं
okay,
समझ
okay.
पा रही हूँ.
देखा.
सेकेंड वर्ड ना.
Okay, second
है ना?
word is
बोलना नहीं है सेकंड.
हाँ ओके.
film. Theatre movie. Theatre. राष्ट्रगीत, जन गण मन, anthem, national anthem, national, India, Mr. India.
सेकेंड.
India is the second
हाँ.
word, right?
अरे
First
क्या
अभी
word.
तो
बात
समझ
है.
गई.
अच्छा.
एक minute, India.
फर्स्ट नाउ फर्स्ट वर्ड.
हाँ. मेरा something. रवीश, मैं. My India. Miss India. Mrs. India. Me. This is not done. You're not doing it right.
अरे
मेरा.
किसी फैन ने हेल्प किया तो I'll tell you.
मेरी. मेरी what? बहन. You're talking about it.
In the silence only. No, it's not Meera Bharat. No, not I Love My India.
हाँ.
मैं बता दूं?
नहीं, एक मिनट यार.
अच्छा अच्छा.
She's very close.
Yeah, she is.
Sister, mother India.
हाँ.
एक मिनट, ये क्या है यार?
अरे तो मुझे क्या मालूम
हाँ,
यार.
मम्मी समझा रहे थे.
हाँ तो मैं मेरी ये तो बोला मैं मेरी
But
मेरी
guess
और तो
Yeah,
मुझे
मैंने-
भी नहीं समझ में.
हाँ तो मैं I was thinking sister, okay? तो मैं बहन में मेरी बहन कौन सी और इंडिया आ गया है तो यार. एक मिनट मैं ट्राई करूँ थोड़ा. Actually, okay.
Two words. Hindi. First word. 3. गांधी जी के 3 बंदर मंकी.
She's so perfect.
I love something. Now third word.
एक मिनट. Forget, okay? I'm starting again.
Second word. 2 words. First word. 3.
This is Hindi, right?
This is Hindi, this is English.
हाँ. 3. 3. Idiots.
So simple. उन्होंने ऐसे समझाया तभी मैं
हाँ,
समझ.
मैं जानबूझ के उसे
हाँ.
idiots का कुछ connection आ जाए.
नहीं वो अलग वो ये अच्छा.
Okay,
चलो
fine.
आपकी बारी.
अगर अभी ठीक से नहीं किया ना.
Let's see.
मैं डांस करके सोच रही थी ऑल इज वेल का क्या है. ओके,
चलो.
एक ही है.
हाँ.
हिंदी वर्ड है, राइट? इंग्लिश है.
हम्म.
ओके, फुटबॉल पे है. किक.
चलो.
Oh my god, am I too good or too good? मुझे लेना है अभी.
The name of the film was too good. अच्छा ही नहीं उसमें.
तुम गेस किया ना लेकिन.
Easy दिया था हमने एक.
ओके,
Onward. मुक्केबाज. क्या?
am I doing right?
Bang you now.
हिंदी इंग्लिश. बॉक्स. कान. सुनना. सुनना to hear. कान फट जाना.
On those lines but not there. Okay.
आपके एक फैन ने बता दिया, बता दूं? नहीं?
The fans और
मारा मारी.
हाँ,
मैरी
मतलब
कॉम.
No.
whoever you are, you're intelligent, okay? किसने बताया?
थैंक यू.
पायल ठक्कर.
अरे
पायल ठक्कर.
पायल
Very
ठक्कर.
smart.
हेलो पायल ठक्कर. How are
Okay,
you?
listen. अरे नहीं मार रही.
अरे मारना. मुक्का. बॉक्सिंग. मुक्केबाज. मुक्के. कान बहुत ज्यादा आवाज आती है उसे क्या कहते हैं?
अब तो मुंह से निकल ही जाएगा शब्द.
अरे यार ऐसे मत करो यार.
मैं मार मारी.
मारा मारी करना. मारा मारी. क्या है बता दो यार. पायल ठक्कर बता दो.
डिशुम.
डिश.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
I was doing it right, right? कैसे मतलब आवाज आती है ना डिशुम, मैं वो कर रही हूँ. I don't look at me like that. I was.
जी, आपने मुक्का सब गेस किया
हाँ,
लेकिन
और
डिशुम
दो
करना
lines.
था वही नहीं किया.
ये सारी फिल्में करती हैं.
अरे वाह क्या बात है.
एक ही वर्ड है, इंग्लिश में है.
ये क्या ये
Okay,
इंग्लिश है.
English.
अच्छा तो हिंदी.
हाँ.
ये हिंदी है
हाँ,
इंग्लिश है.
हिंदी और इंग्लिश.
हाँ हिंदी.
अभी
One
बोल
word.
दिया, हाँ.
हाँ, ये हिंदी. Okay.
ये विनर है कि नहीं इसमें, मतलब विनर है कि नहीं इसमें.
वो आपस में गिफ्ट.
हाँ.
वो घर जाके गिफ्ट देंगे सबके सामने
नहीं
नहीं.
मैं शेयर नहीं करती मेरे गिफ्ट. ओके,
हाँ तो
एक है हिंदी में है.
जो भी बोलो बहुत एंटरटेनिंग है.
पीस फ्लाई. अभी माँ वापस है इसमें. बेबी है. इट्स अ न्यू फिल्म. me, I say it or something. Lori, lullaby, sleep. It's like sleep.
Yeah, perfect.
अच्छा, doing it right. एक ही वर्ड है कुछ ड्रीम, सपना, सपने, सपने on those lines. Dream, sleep, सपना, dream, ख्याल, dream, fly, उड़ना, उड़ान, कुछ और related to it something. Fairy, परी.
Yeah.
Oh, very. Okay.
Oh, buddy.
Nice.
वाह, क्या
ठीक है,
बात।
तो किया है यार। हाँ, बट वॉन्ड दिखा था ना, तो मैं फिर
हाँ,
से- but ठीक
वो
है।
आइडिया दिया ना मुझे।
बट वो भी सही कर रहे थे, पता है?
हाँ,
वो-
मैं भी सही कर रहा
तो
था।
एंजल भी तो होता
थोड़ा
है।
एक-
वो एंजल ही तो दिखा
एंजल
रहे
को क्या,
थे।
मैं एंजल ही दिखा रहा था
एंजल
और
मतलब
बोला हिंदी।
फरिश्ता होता है, फेरी मतलब परी होता है।
अरे यार,
ठीक है। मैं भी गलत।
ओके, अच्छे नाम मनीषा, अच्छे नाम है। ओके,
हाँ, इंग्लिश, काटना, कट,
वन वर्ड अभी बोल
Yeah.
एक ही वर्ड है।
हाँ,
Divide.
into two parts. Okay, हाँ, first word, बाल, hair, 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 leather, belt, कचरा, dandruff,
I'm doing it right?
dandruff,
You got kachra.
no, मतलब
Yeah, you're doing it right.
material, लिखना, क्या?
मैं कभी भी नक्शा रखती हूँ ना, I'll never team up with him.
No, he's
Furniture.
playing after a long time. Hence,
Yeah,
he
of
is very
course.
confused.
मैं भी after a long time, but every
अच्छा,
time I'm
अच्छा
gonna
है
do it
क्या?
now.
हाँ चलो
Okay.
ठीक है, बताओ यार। ये क्यों दिखाया, पर ये तो बाल होते हैं।
हाँ,
तो बाल,
एक मिनट, कनेक्शन, हाँ?
बाल वीर, पेंटिंग, कलर, रंग, काला, काला रंग, इंग्लिश, ब्लैक, सेकेंड वर्ड,
Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
हाँ, ब्लैक वॉट, ब्लैक बटन, ब्लैक काला पानी, ब्लैक स्क्रीन, ब्लैक मॉनिटर,
ब्लैक मर्डर की फिल्म हो सकती है, ऐसे इनको लगता है।
स्क्रीन, ब्लैक,
एकदम लेटेस्ट है।
यार ब्लैक मेल यार।
Yeah.
मैं मेल कर रही थी, मेल चेक कर रही थी।
तो स्क्रीन कहाँ से आया मुझे
नहीं,
बता।
कंप्यूटर पे मेल नहीं आता क्या?
हाँ.
फोन में भी तो आता है ना मेल।
She's so cute. कंप्यूटर में मेल नहीं आता क्या?
क्यों तो?
चलो ठीक है, अब मेरी बारी।
लास्ट
अरे यार,
नहीं,
ये
ये
तो
सेकंड
कम है।
लास्ट। आपके हाथ ही आए ऐसे मूवीज के नाम।
हाँ, यार
इजी है,
चार
इजी
है।
मैं समझ गई कौन सी
Okay.
है।
नया है, हिंदी है, राइट? पहला वर्ड इंग्लिश में है।
वो ही समझा दोगे तो वो समझ जाएंगे, आई थिंक।
कोई
जेस्चर कर दूं मैं?
हाँ।
जेस्चर कर सकते
या,
हैं
या,
ना?
तो gesture कर दो।
हाँ,
What? Washroom? What? Break? Loo? टॉयलेटिक प्रेम का था।
यस। मैं बोलूँ मैं थी बहुत हाई फाई इंग्लिश यूज करे थोड़ा नीचे। लास्ट।
ओके,
हाँ, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, हम दो, हम साथ साथ हैं।
वाह।
अरे आज तो हम साथ साथ हैं के बारे में सुबह से पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं। एकदम ताज़ा था।
but did anyone anybody
मुग्धा ही जीती है ऑब्वियसली, क्लियर विनर है मतलब.
वाह वाह,
बट
क्या बात
रविश ने
है, क्या
बहुत
बात
मेहनत की, मतलब अगर देखा जाए ही
Hard
said
work
that
तो
he
किया था, but guess work भी तो होता है.
हाँ.
I won, you know that. I won.
Congratulations.
Congrats. Okay, Sakshi is asking, when will you do a show together, both?
Sakshi wished for it, yeah. We want to do a show together. कुछ अच्छा ऑफर आना चाहिए.
Also, if you're planning to produce something,
We are there for you.
yeah, we will be available for you
Nice.
at a discounted price. Don't worry.
Okay, Preeti is saying, Mugdha, can you remember a serial which made your childhood memorable, just like your serial made our childhood awesome?
Yeah. Preeti, there are loads of them. As a child, I used to watch, a lot of shows. I remember बहुत ही छोटी थी मैं, लेकिन memories है. Chandrakanta I used to watch. Then Vikram Vedad I used to watch. Hum Panch I used to watch. And Small Wonder and DuckTales I used to watch. And all these sweet memories actually made my childhood beautiful.
Okay, Guru Kirat is asking, Ravish, this is for you. Which is your current favorite song?
Song.
Yeah.
So, I think there are a few songs lately, but Hindi mein I really like Has Mat Pagli Pyar Ho Jayega.
Nice.
It's a beautiful song,
Beautiful
beautiful
song.
melody. और अच्छा लगता है जब सुनते हैं तो.
Okay, Kuldeep has not mentioned the name, but he's asking, what is your advice to all young people who want to succeed in life? So you both can give it.
I would just say, Kuldeep, believe in yourself. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मंत्रा यही है. अगर आप खुद को अच्छी तरह से जानते हो तो डेफिनेटली दुनिया जान लेगी. एंड बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ एंड बी ट्रू टू योर सेल्फ. जो भी आप करोगे खुद पे भरोसा रखो. आई थिंक दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टुडे. जस्ट बी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट योरसेल्फ.
Yeah, I think what she says is quite true. But before that, identify what is it that you want to do in life. That is very important. In today's times, इतने pressure में होते हैं. Career choices. It's such a big thing in today's times. What is it that you do in life? What is it that you do? Everyone keeps asking you this all the time. Education is of course very important. So make sure that you're educated enough to stand up in the society and earn your respect. And with that, just go out and identify that one thing that you really love doing, and then just give it everything you got. And as she said, believe in yourself no matter what. If you don't believe in yourself, nobody else will.
True, very true. Okay, Mamta is asking Ravish that why are you not active on social media?
Well, we were just discussing
Mamta,
that.
even I ask him the same thing.
And I'm sorry, yaar, I'm not too much
Media savvy.
into networking platforms, and I don't honestly. I like real connections with people, with friends. I don't like the idea. We've all become so addicted to our phones these days. सुबह उठते हैं, रात को सोते हैं, तब तक हाथ में फोन रहता है. हर 2 मिनट हम फोन पे चेक करते हैं, कुछ नोटिफिकेशन ये वो. तो I think it just
Takes up everything.
handicaps a person's creative thinking. And it doesn't open your mind to anything. You're so much restricted to your phone all the time. So it is a practice that I consciously, follow. I don't like to be on my phone all day. So, but honestly, I love to connect with people. I do read all my messages that I receive from all those, from all you guys. For all your wishes and everything that you keep sharing. I do read once in a while, but I'm sorry, I'm not. I don't like to be addicted to my phone all the time.
Okay, Shamli Gupta, it's a birthday today, so she's asking if you can wish me.
Of course,
happy
Shami.
birthday,
Wish you a
Shami.
very happy birthday.
Okay, Tasneem is asking, hi Mugdha Di, why are you not doing any Hindi show currently?
Tasneem, honestly, I'm waiting for something really beautiful to come my way. There are things coming, but I want to do something really nice that will make me and you happy. That it has to be special. So definitely waiting, and I will definitely do something nice.
And also, it's very important on TV. We keep receiving all your messages as and when you all keep, sending us, your views on why we are not on TV and we need to be on TV or doing something constructive. So television, it's very important that you take up something that you would enjoy doing.
True.
Because it's like a 13-14 hour job a day, and if you're on set and if you're not enjoying what you're doing, it really is
It doesn't count. Actually.
Exactly, it's not
So-
something that'll keep you happy
Going,
throughout
yeah.
the journey of the show. So that's exactly why. And Mugdha is extremely choosy about her work. She wants to be part of something that she really would look forward to.
Okay, Aishwarya is saying that Ravish, if you get a chance, how would you propose Mugdha again?
Again, I think it was like a really big surprise for her when I went down on my knees. At the time of the engagement, she had absolutely no
No
clue. There was
idea.
even I didn't know I was going to do that. I had not planned actually.
Spur of the moment.
But wo kar liya. Yeah, I probably take her. I have that in mind. I want to take her somewhere, at a mountain peak, and maybe propose to her again.
Oh, so sweet. Okay, Rajat and Mugdha fan page is asking your favorite moment from Satrangi Sasural.
Favorite moment? Satrangi altogether is something favorite and special. It'll be forever because that gave me everything that makes me happy. Satrangi moment, I would say.
No, I think we were not seeing each other at that time.
Yeah,
yeah.
We were in Delhi. We were shooting for the promo of Satrangi.
Yeah.
And we were shooting at India Gate, that entire Rashtrapati Bhavan stretch. We were shooting there, and I'm extremely passionate about bikes.
Okay.
And I didn't even know that they wanted to shoot something on a sports bike, and they actually got a Harley Davidson
I was so happy
on
that
set.
time.
And they wanted a few riding shots of both of us talking, and I'd even share a picture of that. This was in 2014.
14. Yeah.
So I think that is a very special moment because both of us rode on that
Yeah.
beautiful stretch
Yeah.
with nobody around, no traffic around. So for me, that is one memorable moment.
That
from
time it was
Satrangi.
definitely just for work, but now when we
Yeah.
look back,
No, but I
it
think
has
we had
become
even
special.
we had even become friends.
We were just friends
Yeah,
then.
we were just friends. We like to talk, and we used to talk
We
a
used
lot
to talk about
movies.
books and movies all the
Okay.
time.
So I think that is a special moment for me.
Okay, Ankur is saying that my father met you guys when you came to Delhi for Satrangi Sasural.
Oh,
Okay, that's very nice, uncle.
Okay, Ankit is asking why did you guys didn't play in BCL?
I played in
Ravish,
BCL यार, दिखते नहीं हो यार तुम लोग यार.
Ravish played.
तो अहमदाबाद एक्सप्रेस के लिए खेले थे, सेमीफाइनल्स तक गए थे हम यार.
I
Say
did this year.
Mugdha
Ravish
ने
did,
किया.
yeah.
Mugdha
I
didn't play.
did, I
Mugdha
did.
didn't play.
Ravish did.
I played BCL this year.
Okay. Okay, there are few fan pages and few fans who are asking we want to send letters to you guys. How can we send? You guys?
Definitely share them with Wikimedia, and I'm
Yeah,
sure
please.
with all the love it'll come to us.
Yes, please send us. We'll give you. Okay, Ankit is asking which sass of yours was the best in Satrangi.
It was a packet of happiness, all of them. I cannot choose. It's like choosing something, which you just cannot. I mean, all of them were,
I think
actually
it's-
I'm falling short of words to describe
No, but
them. They were
Satrangi
amazing.
will always remain very close to our heart. Not only because we met on that set,
Mhm.
but also because of the entire cast and crew, and we were like one big family. So I think choosing
All
one
of
person,
them, it's-
out of all of them
it
is
won't come out only.
yeah,
It
it's,
won't
it's,
be
it's
able
very
to.
difficult to express that.
Okay, Simran is it's Simran's birthday also, so she's asking if you can wish me
Happy
also.
birthday,
Happy birthday, Simran.
Very happy birthday.
मैं विश करता हूँ कि तुम्हें तुम्हारा राज
Raj.
Okay, Asham has a message for you. Tell them that stay simple and different forever because you guys are amazing that way.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
Asham. This
much,
is
yeah.
one of the sweetest compliments I've got.
And we actually put in a lot of effort to do that.
Okay, Shwarya is saying we would like to see more of your Insta posts together. Please post them.
Definitely. I
Yes,
should.
yes. We've actually hired a photographer.
Just to click our pictures together.
Amazing sense of humor. Okay, finally we'll take a message for all your fans who've been here to chat with you and be with you.
Okay. Yeah, of course. All of you, thank you so much. It didn't feel like, going live or anything. interview or whatever. It was just a conversation, like meeting old friends and talking about more of our personal things, our lives, instead of just television and what's happening and this and that. So it's fun, and we would love to do this again. And thank you for wishing us to come together. बहुत सारे आप messages कर रहे थे कि जल्दी live आ जाइए, and Wikimedia made it possible. So thanks to you guys. And let's be like this, like we are, yeah. And nothing to expect and nothing to say. And I think life is beautiful that way.
Yes. Your message to fans?
Oh, first of all, thank you Wikimedia for
Thank you.
Being the platform between us and all you lovely people. Yes, we love to share every single thing with you, and we will always keep doing that, because it's your love that motivates us in doing better and striving for better things in life. So thank you guys, and we will see each other on Instagram.
Yeah, so a lot of fans are saying तुसी ना जाओ, but then
नहीं कोई नहीं, फिर आएंगे ना. जाते इसलिए है कि वापस आना होता है.
Yes. So you guys have to promise them that you'll come live.
Absolutely, we'll come back really soon. Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
guys.
It was
Bye.
lovely having you. Thank you. Bye.